Okay, now this is the editing worksheet data, right? So this is editing cell content chapter number 8. I'm explaining how you can edit worksheet and data in your Excel document, right? Just we did the Excel software, we saw the Excel software and we saw how we can insert data. Editing cell content means double click the cell with the text that you want to edit, highlight the text that you want to change, or type in the text you want to add. This means in the cell, particular cell, if you write down some data, so you can edit like that. You can double click and then you can edit your text. You can also edit text in a cell using the formula bar. Click the cell that you want to edit. This is the way you can edit your cell. Click on the formula bar and type in the change that you want to make. Press enter to apply the changes or press escape to cancel editing. So this is the way you can Excel sheet, you can edit, you can escape, or you can uh, enter your data. Next slide is clearing content. How you can clear? Right click the cell you want to clear and then just click clear content. Just we saw like that. Or you can click the cell you want to clear, or you can click the clear tool on the editing group and then clear. You can either clear by like that, or either you can right click and then clear content. This is the two way you can clear your data in the Excel sheet. Okay, if you click a cell and press delete or backspace, Microsoft Excel remove the cell content. This is another way you can clear, delete, or you can press the backspace. Right? If you clear all a cell, Microsoft Excel removes all content, formats, and comments in one click. The value of clear cell is 0, and the formula that refers to the cell will receive a value of 0. Right? Copying cell का क्या होता है? Copying a cell without a row or column, click the cell containing the data you want to copy, position the mouse pointer at the lower right corner of the selected cell. When the mouse pointer turns into the cross drag the fill handle across the cell you want to fill. Right? Copy cell content, right click the cell you want to copy and click copy. Select the cell where you want to copy and data, click paste and clipboard group. Right? So this is the way you can just do what you want to do: clear, copy, drag, move. Right? So